How do you manage web and desktop fonts in Adobe Creative Cloud? Imagine having all your favorite fonts at your fingertips, ready to use in any project, whether online or on your desktop. Managing fonts smoothly can save you time and keep your work looking consistent. With Adobe Creative Cloud, it's easier than ever to handle both web and desktop fonts without cluttering your computer. First, Adobe Fonts is built into Creative Cloud, giving you access to thousands of fonts that you can use in your web and desktop projects. These fonts are stored in the cloud, so you don't need to install each one manually. Just browse the library on the Adobe Fonts website or through the Creative Cloud desktop app. You can filter fonts by style, weight, language, or even preview how your sample text looks in different fonts. Adding fonts is simple. When you find a font you like, click the Add to Web Project button if you want to use it on a website. For desktop use, click Activate to make the font available in your Adobe desktop applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. Once activated, the font automatically appears in your font list in these apps. You might need to restart the program to see the new fonts, but it's a quick step. Managing your fonts is just as straightforward. You can create font libraries within Creative Cloud to organize your favorite fonts for different projects. These libraries can be shared with team members, making collaboration seamless. For web projects, Adobe Fonts generates a link you can embed in your website's code, so your site loads the fonts directly from Adobe's servers. If you work with custom fonts that aren't available in Adobe Fonts, you can upload them to your Creative Cloud account. Just open the Creative Cloud desktop app, go to the Fonts section, and upload your font files. Remember, you need the proper licenses for these fonts. After uploading, you can assign access rights if you're working with a team or organization. Using these tools helps keep your workflow smooth. You can switch fonts quickly, update styles without fuss, and ensure everyone on your team sees the same fonts. This consistency is especially helpful when working on branding or web design projects. In short, managing web and desktop fonts in Adobe Creative Cloud is about browsing, activating, organizing, and sharing fonts effortlessly. It saves you from the hassle of manual installations and keeps your projects looking professional. Whether you're designing for the web or creating on your desktop, Adobe's font management tools make your workflow faster and more organized.